Hello, plants lovers. Picture this. You are sitting by the window, sipping your morning coffee, sunlight streaming in, and your room is alive with vibrant green plants. Just plants thriving happily in simple jars of water. Sounds magical, doesn't it? Let me take you on a journey into this hassle-free world of the indoor gardening. Imagine transforming your home into a lush haven. Even if life gets busy or you are prone to forgetting a watering can. In an earlier chapter of this story, we introduced 5 amazing plants that flourish in water. A little magic trick for plant lovers. Today, the story continues. We are uncovering a few more water-loving plants that will not only beautify your space, but also breathe life into your home. So, friends, are you ready to make your indoor jungle dreams come true? Let's swim in. Top indoor plants grow in water. Chinese Evergreen. To grow Chinese Evergreen in water, use a sterilized peeler or snipes to cut a healthy 6-inch stem from a healthy plant. Place the cut end of the stem into the water and remove the underwater bottom leaves. Roots should appear in 3 to 4 weeks. Put the plant in indirect sunlight and change the water every 3 days or so when the water becomes dirty or cloudy. Give the plant a few drops of water-soluble liquid fertilizer monthly to encourage growth. Philodendron. Propagating philodendron in water is quite easy. However, the right method should be followed to achieve the desired result. Here are some effective ways to grow a philodendron in water. Make the container ready where the philodendron is to be placed. Gently place the philodendron cutting in the water-filled container in such a way that the nodes are dipped in the water. It is very important to change the water regularly to prevent stagnation and root rot. Changing the water after every 1 or 2 weeks can be beneficial for the plant. It is very important to place a philodendron in a location where it can receive adequate indirect bright light. So, even if you are growing a philodendron in water, make sure the cuttings receive enough light. Avoid direct sunlight as it can cause several problems. Coin plant. To grow a coin plant in water, you can follow these steps. Fill a jar with clean, room temperature water. Transfer an established plant with roots or submerge a stem cutting in the water. If you are using a stem cutting, make sure at least 2 stem nodes are submerged in the water. Put the jar in a location with bright, indirect sunlight and maintain water quality. Use water-soluble fertilizer. Roots should start to emerge from the nodes within 1 to 2 weeks. Croton's plants. Croton's speckled leaves make it an interesting addition to your hydroponic garden. It can also be grown outdoors in the right environment. The first step is to take a healthy cutting from your chosen croton plant. Look for a stem that is about 4 to 6 inches in length, making sure it has several sets of leaves. Fill a clean glass or jar with water, ensuring that the lower end of the cutting is submerged in the water. Place the jar in the location with bright, indirect light as croton cuttings thrive, best in this condition. Change the water every few days to keep it fresh and prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. Be patient, as this can take 30 to 40 days to root. Purple heart. Purple heart grows beautifully in water. Its vibrant purple leaves thrive with indirect sunlight, clean water, and occasional trimming, making it an easy, stunning addition to indoor spaces. Use sharp clippers or scissors to cut a 3 to 6 inch stem from a healthy plant just above a node. A node is the prick in the stem where a leaf emerges. Strips the lower leaves from the cutting, leaving only a couple at the top. Place the cutting in a glass of tepid, filtered water, making sure all exposed nodes are submerged. Keep the cutting in a warm, bright location with indirect light. Roots should appear in a few days. Snake plant. While the process of propagating snake plant is quite simple, it does require some patience, and there are a few things that can help increase your chances of success. First, while it seems daunting to cut off an entire snake plant leaf, I like to root several cuttings at once in case some of them take longer than others. Second, ensure that you refresh the water once every couple of weeks to keep it refreshed for your cuttings. Please let us know which plant you already put in water and which plant do you want to learn more.